How to change ringtone in TextNow. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account to access all your settings and features. Next, tap the three horizontal lines located in the top left corner of the screen to open the main menu and see all available options. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings to access your app preferences and customization options. Once you are in the settings, scroll down and tap on Calling or Call settings depending on the version of the TextNow that you are using. Then tap on Ringtone and you will see your current ringtone displayed at the top. Below this, you will see options for system ringtones and to choose from media. If you want to use a system ringtone, simply tap on it and it will display all the available built-in sounds that you can select from. If you prefer to choose a ringtone from your own files, tap on Choose from Media and it will display all the audio files stored on your device so you can pick your favorite sound to set as a ringtone. Once you have selected the ringtone you like, make sure to confirm by tapping Save or OK, which will set it as your default ringtone for all TextNow calls. Now you know how to change the ringtone in TextNow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.